Oh my god! Oh my god!
Did it hit me or what? Did it hit me?
I don't know.
Did it hit me or what?
I don't know.
Am I okay?
Jeez.
What's going on? Did it hit me or what? No, it hit me, right?
I don't know. Slow down. No, don't do it.
What hit me? Why are they merging to me, right?
Right. Okay, it's okay.
Did it hit me or what?
I don't know.
I don't know.
It was too crazy.
Should have gone into me, right? So she was not even looking at me.
We should record his.
Yeah, but no, she's turning. I mean, it's too late now. Too late now. It didn't hit me, right? Or anything, right?
I don't think so, right?
No, right? Let me see.
I don't feel any bump.
No, I don't see anything.
Oh my god.
But they were bending to me, right?
Yeah.
So my lane's good. Why is she coming over my lane, right?
Right.
Why is she doing that, right? I got all on tape. So. Well, she didn't like apologize or anything, right? She's like bending it right into my lane, right? It's like not clear. I gotta look at the tape. It's all dash cam, so. I felt like she's gonna hit me, right? Did she hit me or nothing or what?
I feel like she probably. I don't know.
Right?
It was so strong.